Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is Director Qim. I hope you doing good, and today we have another thing that I want to show you. Okay, today we're not going to talk much, but I really want to show you how you can just using my LUTs. If you bought my LUTs and you have a very hard time to do stuff and how to make a perfect look, and yeah, I've already downloaded the Director Qim LUT that they told me it's amazing, but what can I do to make it look good? So today I'm going to break down for you. Okay, the first time you download the LUTs, you're going to see like this, the zip folder. So when you download it, you open the zip, so we have to wait a bit, and now the zip is going to be open. So what you have to do, you have to unzip it. So I'm going to unzip the folder. So I'm going to this part, unzip, and choose where you want your folder to be appear. Like I want this to be on my download list. So here I'm going to unzip. Done. After it's done, how to install the LUT is coming to your DaVinci Resolve, and also go to the LUT ports like this. So I love putting my LUT around here. So I'm going to right click and reveal in find. This is where you can give me a folder to import the LUT that I want. So after doing this, I go to the download and import the LUT that you want to use right over there. And after doing so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to refresh, and everything is going to be there you want it to be. So that is the first thing you to do to make the LUT. So in my loop, you go see we have a loop DNA, which is our loop designing. It has a different looks. We have 15 LUTs, and actually after that, how to use, we have a loop DNA and also we have a Skintone. So I'm going to show you how to use those LUTs. Okay, first, when you want to use loop DNA, what you have to do is come in here, make your Rec 709 node. Like this is my CST node, and also make your color correction node. Like, okay, now we got exposure, and then we're going to have white balance. That's our important thing, stuff that we have to start with. And then here is applying our loop DNA. So this is going to be our loop DNA, and then we're going to have another node which is going to be a hue adjustment to make a feather adjustment from our LUTs. So as we can see, the nodes from our look is outside of our color sense. So like, okay, you have videos now, so we want to convert to Rec 79. You go to Rec 79 color space and looking for the right color sense from your footage. Like this one was red, so I'm going to choose the exactly color sense that I want to use. So red log frame, this one, bam. So I go leave it like this. I don't want to choose it's depending for your willing. If you want to choose gamma 2.4 or whatever, is up to you, but me, I go leave it like that. And then go to my exposure, try to fix the exposure of my picture. So I'm going to reduce, maybe I'm going to reduce highlights and control my shadow somewhere around here. Now everything look balanced. I think somewhere around here, not too much. And then I have to fix my white balance because the picture is too warm, it's too reddish. So maybe I can use this tool to bring back. So I'm going to push my picture around a very blue cold toning to make it somewhere around here. This is too much. This is too much. Somewhere around this spot. I'm about to neutralize the picture somewhere around here. I think this one is good. You see now the picture is neutralized a bit. You can use this tool, or you can just use offset like this. Now it looks very balanced. So after that, here you can go and looking for the right look that you want. Maybe I want look number 1, look number 2. You see this one look very cinematic. Look number 3, look like this. Look number 4, it look like this. I kind of like this one. Look number 4, look number 5, number 6, 7, 8. You can choose any look that you want, like look number 10, look number 11. Which ones is going to work in very better for your footage? Look number 11, number 14, 13, 14, yeah, somewhere like that. This one, I kind of feel this one look good. So maybe I can go back to my exposure and my white balance and bring back that warm, so it's going to give me a very warm tone like this. You see the way the look right now is very good. Let me go to my look DNA and this spot. Let me you see before and after. You see the way they look. You see the way they look of turn to my picture. You see I never did so much to my hue adjustment. I can do some further option, like I want to twist this thing and this thing, depending on your willing. But I kind of feel like, okay, let me read it like that. Okay, now let me show you another way to use my LUTs for the skin tone. Alright, we have another shot on screen. So I want to control only a skin tone, but I will leave everything like that. So I'm going to make also color space transformation, and then I'm going to import my my information about my color sans. This was S-Log. This was shot on Sony. So I'm going to write S-Log 3, something like that. And then what I'm going to do next is making my my before node, which is I'm going to control my exposure just like this. So I'm going to this spot, reduce a shadow and highlight a bit somewhere around here to make a better adjustment for the picture. And then I'm going to make another node for white balance. So I'm going to look at the balance of my picture, where it is and where I want it to be pushed, like somewhere around here. Maybe you see before and after to take off those magenta. So right over here, I only want to affect my skin tone, not the other stuff, like going to choose a different look. This is going to change your look. So this is look DNA. So you have to choose your look that you want, but I'm not going to change my look because I'm satisfied with the look that I've got in there. But I only want to change the skin tone. If I want to change the look, I go do it in another way, you see. So what you have to do is come in here, select the skin, you see. I'm going to qualify the skin, very perfect qualification, like I don't mean qualification, qualify sorry, my English is too good. Okay, here we got this qualify, and I'm going to denoise this to smooth out, and then I'm going to choose my skin tone pack. There I have a lot of skin tone packs, so I'm going to choose one of them which is working very nice to me. And make sure you do it after Rec 709. You see, I'm going to choose a different skin tone. We have But if it's that's why you see two white. This is for the white people like Koreans. You see their skins. This one looking perfect for them. You see now I can choose any skin. Okay, I can choose any skin tone that I want. Like maybe skin number 2 is good, or skin number 3. Okay, now I go jumping with this. So what I'm about to do is making another note, which is for adjustment. You see, let's call it adjustment. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to select the skin and bring it to the right position, because if it's yellowish, I'm going to push it around to be orange, to be brownish a bit. You see now the skin the way it is. We fix the skin. Now it's good. Okay, maybe I want to have a skin tone, and also I want to have that look DNA. So what I'm about to do is I'm going to make another node, which is this one is going to be our in node, which is skin tone, and this is going to be our outside node, which is going to be our look. So I'm about to apply the LUTs that you see there. So I go make it like this, and in here in this friend of ours, I'm going to click this thing, so it's only going to affect outside of our skin tone. So I'm going to choose a different look that I want. You see, a different look that's what you see. The only affect the background. Maybe I think I kind of like this one, or this one, or this one. You see, so you're going to choose any look that you want. This is look package of mine. I feel like this one is good. So okay, you see before and after, and then let's check it out before and after. So if I do before and after, it's going to switch all over this one. Maybe I should do what, like, okay, let me jump in and deselect. You see the way our skin tone is looking now. But I think you guys got the point here. Yeah, this one. You see now you got it. You see you get. I think you got the point now. And this is how you can just using my LUTs. Other thing is another option of yours that you wants to make a look. One thing that I can tell you, the thing that the purpose of me telling you about my LUTs is easy way to use them. It can make your videos, your color grading so fast if you want to do a faster color grading, and also it helps you a lot if you have a problem to create the look DNA. So you can use the LUTs for the specific purpose, but also you have to learn about color grading, not like using LUTs often. So using LUTs is better, and to know how to create a look, it's also better. So what I recommend is you can buy my masterclass to get knowledge how to create your looks, and also you can buy my LUTs to make a quick grading for your videos if you have a quick videos to do upfront you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you're doing good. This is Director Qim. See you on next tutorial.